Hi friends, welcome to another video about DaVinci Resolve. Now when you're making a video and you're maybe doing like a video like this where I'm doing a sort of talk over to the camera, you are more than likely to make several takes or make some mistakes while recording, which I generally do all the time. And when you're actually trying to piece the videos together or the clips together, you may find that at some places it just doesn't sort of flow nicely because you may have moved from one particular position to another, and when you do the edit, it looks like it's jumping, and that's called a jump cut. That's the name. So how to actually avoid jump cuts? Well, there are a number of different ways of doing it, including inserting of a B-roll, for example, to kind of cover it up. But one of the transitions that you can use in DaVinci Resolve to help with this is called the smooth cut. So I'm going to show you how that works. Let's take a look at this particular example here. So this is a position at the end of this particular clip here. And if I move to the next position on this clip, I just do it here, you can see there's a bit of a jump between this position here and this position here. So when you're actually playing the video, you actually notice the little jump between the two positions here and here. This is a perfect example if you don't want to insert, for example, B-roll, to use a smooth cut. So let's go to your effects and then view transitions and where it says smooth cut. And then just drag that guy between the two clips like this. And this creates a kind of like, I think, an AI or a special effect to kind of blend and to work out a nice join between the two clips. Now, because this actual smooth cut takes quite a lot of intensive processing, unless you've got a very, very quick machine, you're not going to be able to preview the results while you're editing. But when you actually render it out later, you'll see that's actually a nice smooth cut. On the screen, I'm going to show you a before and after. So first of all, this is the clip before the smooth cuts transition.
I'm guessing you're in control. So now you know. I'm guessing you're in control. So now you know how you're.
So as you can see, there's a very quick jump between the two positions. And now let's see the same edit with the smooth cut transition.
You're no longer guessing you're in control. So now you know how you'll like me. You're no longer guessing you're in control. So now you know how you'll like me.
As you can see, the actual edit is almost invisible. You can't really see it. The smooth cut is going to be your friend to be able to hide jump cuts in DaVinci Resolve. Quick tip there, hope it's useful, and in the future I'm going to show you other different techniques for being able to avoid jump cuts. Take care, and I shall see you soon.